Guys and gals, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ronnie and this is Flip Flop Nation. All right, so today we're going to start a new type of journey. And this journey is going to be a resale journey. And you said, what are you talking about, Ronnie? What are you talking about? Well, while I was getting my master's degree, I would supplement my wife's income because I wasn't working a job at the time. So I supplemented my wife's income, well, reselling things on eBay or Poshmark, Mercari, things like that. And then when I actually got my master's degree and started teaching, well, I had stopped all that. So right here I find myself back in the job market, looking for a job. And while I'm doing that, well, I'm gonna start reselling on eBay. And I thought I would bring you along. So if you like videos like this, please consider subscribing. You know, always comment, hit the like button, share us out, and well, hit the notification bell so that you'll see future videos. But today is day number one. And I say it's day number one. It's really not day number one so much as it is the first day when we get out there and actually source for items to sell. Now, last few days I've been researching, which is one of the main things you need to do when you start anything. Research, research, research. Find the things that are selling. You know, have ideas of what's selling, watch other eBay sellers, get on the YouTube, check them out. There's tons of them. Get out there and learn. I can't stress that enough. You'll be successful if you do. Of course, so I've been watching videos, learning how to, you know, methods of shipping and all that kind of thing. And well, you know, you see back here, I've taken over my wife's kitchen. That probably won't last long. She's gonna be like, get out of the kitchen. But I've taken this over as my studio. I went around the house and picked up all kinds of items. And well, I've taken pictures and put them up on eBay. Now I'm starting out free on eBay. I think they allow you like 250 free listings. Now there is a final sales fee that you have to pay on those 250 items if they sell. So that's where I'm starting out at. If it builds, well, we'll consider getting an actual eBay store and build, you know, and growing. So let's check out the little studio here. Now, as you can see, it's not much. I'm using the kitchen table as my work area. I've got a little background, white background up there, just a poster board that I'm using to put items in front of and, you know, taking pictures. Of course, I've got my studio lights from the eBay stuff. And then over here to my left, I've got a little stand here that I got supplies on, tape and scissors, you know, things like that. And then you can see over here, I've also got things where I'm started. These are the items I started, you know, listing and selling. Now, some of these things were left over from the time that I actually sold. Let me see if I can find any of this. Like I say, it's just different things. This shirt here, it's a Paradise Found Hawaiian shirt. You know, Magnum PI used to wear the red one like this. So I picked this up a while back for a couple dollars. I think I got it listed for 30, 40 bucks. You know, I got some shoes. I got some Dansko shoes in there, some Vans, some Nikes. Let's see, I got a couple of cameras in there. I won't pull all this stuff out, but I also have another thing that let me get it out here. You can see it's a Goodwill bag. I've got a baseball glove in there. And this ball glove, it's a no Kona ball glove. I bought it for $3, and this is how I know this because it still had the tag on it. $3. See, there's a lot of makeup and cologne, but I bought that ball glove for $3. $2.99 plus tax, but $3. I looked it up, done, you know, searched it out, see how much that ball glove would cost. You know, I could sell it on eBay, and it's going for like 150, 175 bucks. And you know, those might be better, might be in better condition than the one I have. But $3 for the opportunity to sell it for something like 100, 150 bucks. I mean, come on. That's one of the reasons why I really get, you know, fired up about selling. Because I mean, man, oh man, it's fun. It's fun, you know, chase that thrill and make money at the same time. So, all right, so this is just the start. Later today, I'm gonna go sourcing and I'll bring you along with me. All right, see you then. Okay, guys and gals, of course we done all our thrifting yesterday, brought the few items that we found back home, cleaned up a couple of the items, and took some pictures, got them listed. So I figured I'd just go ahead and show you what I did find. Here we have a pair of nursing clocks, Danskos, that I purchased. I can't remember exactly, about $7. Should be able to turn those into, I don't know, 30 or 40 before all the fees and all that kind of thing. So got this Ralph Lauren Polo vintage flannel here. That was like $5. Should be able to turn it into 25, 30. Got this North Face shirt here. This one, it's not the best of the North Face, but I paid $5 for it. Should be able to get, I don't know, 20, 25. Now, of course, all of this is before eBay fees and, you know, that kind of thing. So you got that. That was all. That was at the first thrift store that I went to. And then the second one, didn't find anything. The third thrift store I went to, another Goodwill. See, the first one was Goodwill, the second one was Carolina Thrift. The third one, of course, was another Goodwill, and I picked up this pair of Converse. Now, what's so pretty cool about these? Normally, I don't really pick them up to sell, but this one right here caught my eye. It's a little special. These are the Black Sabbath Never Say Die Converse. They're brand new. They don't have the shoelaces, but anybody can find some shoelaces, right? No big deal. Of course, the comps. Couldn't really find a great comp on it, but hey, we're gonna take a gamble at them. I've seen some of the new ones, people got them on there for crazy amounts of money, but we'll take a gamble, see if we can't take and turn $7 into, I don't know, 30, 40, 50, who knows? Now, at our final thrift store, went to Salvation Army and picked up this bag here. It's a messenger bag. Of course, I'm holding it upside down, but I have pictures of all this stuff, comps and things on the video. But that messenger bag right there, I paid $4 for it, and I should be able to turn it into 25, 30. So, you know, not too bad, not too shabby. Of course, hopefully by the time you see this video, they've sold. But, you know, the sell-through rates ain't the best, so it may take a little while for them to get sold. But hey, it's a start, right? Now, when they actually do sell, I will definitely make a little video and show you what they sold for, what I listed them for, you know, and that kind of thing, so you'll have an idea. But hey, that's thrifting day 1/day 2. You know, that's the start of this resale journey. So of course, if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more videos, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and of course, comments. Let me know what you think. Give me some pointers. Tell me what I need to be on the lookout for. Give me some bolos. What are the best? I like shoes. So what kind of shoes would be the best to sell? What about jeans? Brands. Give me all kinds of brands. I mean, you know, I'm always trying to increase my knowledge. So Again, if you enjoyed it, subscribe, like, share, comment, hit the notification bell. And of course, until next time, we'll be seeing ya. Woo!